Welcome to Who Digs. This is my first review on the Webb WEH18 push cylinder mower. So let's have a look at some of the features that the mower has. It has an adjustable height between 24mm and 75mm. There's a roller on the rear with nice stripes. So, coming round to the front, you can see the cylinder. This can be adjusted by the 4 bolts at the top. So there's 2 on this side. You can just about see those. They're 13mm bolts, and 2 on this side. Once you've loosened these off, if we head on round, you have 2 bolts on either side that adjust the blades up and down. So, a couple of the problems I found with the mower is that it does not cut all the way to the edge and leaves about 10cm between the edge of your border and the lawn. The other problem I found were the instructions were shocking. I found the mower easy to push and it leaves nice stripes on your lawn. I tend to let the cuttings go on the lawn for mulch. I would say this mower is suitable for regular sized gardens, not small ones. It does the job. It's nice and cheap. I managed to pick this up for £89 from Screwfix. I hope you've enjoyed my first review.